Here's another video for you as we drive up over the top of Moose Hill. October 30, 2011. Over a foot of wet snow fell last night. Leaves and apples still on the trees in a lot of places. And the trees seem to be handling it okay, but as you won't see this, hopefully, again for a long time. We don't want to see this. This is no good. Kind of hard to pick in conditions like this. There's our peaches. Of course, they've been picked a long time ago, but still leaves on the tree. The wind's starting to knock the snow off now. Here's a bunch of Macintosh. And here's a pear orchard. Some places with some of those little trees are Asian pears. And still some fruit on the trees there. Look at this, pretty spectacular, huh? Never in my 50-odd years have I seen this. Look at these dwarf trees here. Just absolutely buried. And fruit still on them. Yeah, that picking ladder isn't going to get used.